it's Mia, and I'm at Aulani. I've been here for about a week now, and it's super fun, and I just wanted to show you guys what it's like. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to it.
Aloha! We just checked into Disney Aulani, and I thought I would give you a view of our room. We're staying in a one-bedroom villa. So let's take a look inside. Here we go. Okay. So again, it's a one-bedroom villa. So when we first walk in, you can see it has a kitchen, and that includes full-size refrigerator, stove, oven, microwave, sink, lots of cabinets, dishwasher. There's coffee maker, and then plates and stuff are supplied. Silverware. Lizzie's over here. She's checking out what all we have. So, and then here we go. We've got washer and dryer, and they've even supplied some laundry soap there. So. And Disney Aulani is a Disney Vacation Club property, so it's kind of nice to see all of that. We'll take a look here. There's Paul and Mia exploring our room. There's a great eating nook here, so easily could seat, I'm looking at, I think it could seat 5 to 6. So there's a seating area and a TV. I don't know, sometimes these are those Murphy beds. Let's see if this one's a Murphy bed. It is. There is a Murphy bed here that's in the entertainment center. That's pretty neat. Gets out of the way. There's a connecting room door. Do you think you're gonna sleep there, Mia?
Yeah.
And then
under the TV.
Yeah. And then over here, this couch is a sleeper sofa, so that pulls out into a bed as well. And then we'll go over here. Lizzie's trying to take over everywhere. This is the bedroom. Mine. And, ooh, don't ruin the, let's see, the little
It's a little
Mickey head with a great plumeria flower. Oh, look. So it's a nice little, a little Disney feature there. You've got a little Mickey playing the ukulele. And this is what is amazing about our room. We actually have an ocean view room.
Yeah.
So, oh, it's a strong door. Very quiet. So here we go. We are in room 770. And as you can see, we have a view over the lazy river, water slides, pool area, and then the beautiful ocean over there. You can see that. So it gives you an idea of looking out over Aulani from room 770, a one-bedroom villa. And then there's the lobby main area. And we'll head back inside. Hi! Head over to the restroom, bathroom area. So it's got these louvered doors or sliding, okay. So they're like little privacy sliders. If you're coming here for a romantic getaway, you can leave those open maybe and enjoy the waterfront a little bit. Let's see if we can see a good waterfront view from the bathtub. Not much of a view, but it'd be nice to kind of relax. So there's definitely a jetted tub. Turn on some light there. They've got special Aulani soap products. Zoom in on that for you. Okay, oh wow, look at that. So there's an extra sink, and then now here's the main area. There's a whole nother sink, so look at that. And then there's a great shower with rain head shower there. Beautiful. Pebblestone features. There's Aulani bath products. That's a look at the one bedroom villa at Disney Aulani in the Iwa Tower. What do you think, Lizzie, of the room?
I love the bathroom.
The bathroom's pretty nice.
It's my favorite.
What do you think of the view?
I don't know, I haven't looked at it yet.
You haven't even like get off the phone and
Snapchatting.
look. What do you think, Mia?
I think that it's a really
Hold on just a second.
room, and I thought we were gonna be like on the lower part of the building, but we actually got a pretty nice view.
Yeah. Paul, are you excited to stay at Aulani?
Yeah, this is a beautiful room.